Channappa, former Minister and Member of Legislative Assembly on this event. We welcome you, sir.
Dr. R.S. Mudho, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Arun C. Inamdar, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Dean Faculty of Medicine, Dean Faculty of Allied Health Science, Member of BOM, Academic Council Member, Faculty, Students, and of the dais.
The day of convocation is much awaited day of any student's life as it returns the efforts of their entire academic endeavor and it is steeped with a sense of achievement and fulfillment and most importantly it makes them work ahead.
Hence, we are jubilant to gather here to celebrate and honor the perseverance, hard work and determination of our dearest students who are now the graduates. So once again, we welcome
the sense of the Almighty at the beginning of any auspicious ceremony. And through this, we welcome the musical team to recite the invocation song.
चतुराय दान प्राणाय मनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढजयप्रदाय धीमहि
elegantly and is re-elected in 2008, 13 and most recently 2023. In 2013, during his tenure as a legislator, Dr. Patil also took on the crucial role of Minister for Medical Education, Salem Assembly. His dedication to the field of medical education remains unwavering. As he is currently holds the position of Minister for Medical Education and Skill Development, activities such as reading and swimming, showcasing his commitment to personal growth and as well as well-rounded life. Nevertheless, it is clear that Dr. Patil is a dedicated politician, user who has made substantial contribution to the various aspects of Indian society. His commitment to the betterment of the constituents and the nation as a whole is evident through his enduring policy.
Thank you, sir.
I now request Honorable Pro-Chancellor and Vice-Chancellor to felicitate the Honorable Chancellor, Dr. N.D. Patil, sir.
Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to request you to kindly declare the convocation open.
This convocation of PLB deemed to be university with the Constituent College of Sri B. M. Patil Medical College has been called to confer degrees upon the candidates who in the examination held for the purpose have been successful and certified to be worthy of receiving degrees. I declare the convocation open. The Vice Chancellor will present the motion.
I now request Honorable Vice-Chancellor, Dr. R.S. Mudol, to present.
Specifically.
Sir, I have the honor to request you to admit the rest to the respective degrees in absentia.
By virtue of the authority vested in me and the Chancellor of PLB to be University of Kerala, I also admit the rest of the candidates whose names are set out in the list of the respective degree in absentia.
I have the honor to request you, sir, to award the certificates to the candidates in each courses as per the list to be read out by the Control of Examinations.
I request
Dr. Anand Mohan PhD. Dr. Rajat Gurve, PhD in Allied Science for Women Genetics. Dr. Smita Agade, PhD in Allied Science for Women Genetics. Now I call upon Dr. Shamitra Yogi for fellowship in pediatric gynecology. Dr. Rupani Kapri for MD Community Medicine. Dr. Gandhala Sai Reddy, MD Korlapati Svetashri, MD General Medicine. Dr. Marineni Victoria, MD General Medicine. Dr. Mayuri Manohara Muzaffarpur, MD General Medicine. Dr. Panchal Jagdeep Praveen, MD General Medicine.
Thank you, sir. I once again request the Controller of Examinations, Dr. S.S. Devamani, to announce
Late Professor A.K. Kalyanapur Memorial Gold Medal to topper in India and Histology, sponsored by Dr. Vijaykumar Kalyanapur. Goes to Dr. Kirtana S. Testimony Premavati Patil Memorial Gold Medal for Education Topper in Pathology, sponsored by Dr. Vijaya Patil. Goes to Dr. Yogesh Sharma. Dr. B.C. Upali Gold Medal to MBBS topper in General Surgery, sponsored by Dr. Shilpa Chetri and Architect Deepa Baladar. Goes to Aisha Siddiqui. In the following category, 8 Mrs. Rohini Malakal Joshi Memorial. Now I call upon Ananda Krishnan, who has got 2 gold medals, MBBS topper in General Medicine, sponsored by Dr. Sita Lakshmi. Call upon Aliba Ahmad, who has got the Memorial Gold Medal for Best of Going MBBS Student Female, sponsored by Srimati Asha and Patil. Now I call upon Maya Kalora, who has got in the following categories, gold medal for best outgoing students, sponsored by BLE University, MBBS Male. Dr. C.R. Memorial Gold Medal for best outgoing student male, sponsored by Srimati Asha and Patil. Gold medal for education topper male, sponsored by BLE University. Late Srimati Nilama R. Kapoor Memorial Gold Medal for education topper PG, sponsored by Dr. Prem Kumar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As is your desire, so is your will. As is your will, so is your deed. As is your deed, so is your destiny. The term Upanishad means sitting near a teacher to receive the sacred knowledge. This beautiful day of convocation would be incomplete without the readings from Taittiriya Upanishad.
Now, I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. R.S. Mudol to read it.
Speak the truth. ಧರ್ಮದಿಂದ ನಡೆ. Live righteously. ಅಧ್ಯಯನವನ್ನು ಬಿಡಬೇಡ. Do not neglect pursuit of the knowledge. ತಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ದೇವರೆಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸು.
Honorable Chancellor of the Deemed University, Shri M.A. Patil ji. Honorable Guest of Honor and Recipient of the Honorary Doctorate Honoris Causa, Dr. Shyamno Shushruprabha ji. Honorable Pro-Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, Deans of Faculty, members of UOM and Academic Council, Registrar and Controller of Examination of Green University, esteemed faculty members, parents, invitees, members of the media and press, students, dear graduates and icons of the day. I am delighted to be in the midst of you all on this auspicious and special occasion of 11th annual convocation of BLE, deemed to be University of Jaipur. Education is considered to be the cornerstone of social economic changes. It is a arbiter of socio-economic transformation of society and nation. Hence, all the developing nations are giving primary importance to education in general and higher education in particular to achieve knowledge, economy, integrated, sustainable development and human society. Vijaypura, earlier known as Vijapur, is a historical and archaeological area since ancient times. It has an excellent track record of culture, civilization and development during ancient and medieval historical times. The historical monuments and architecture left behind by Chalukyas at Badami, Ayodhya and Pattalikal speak volumes of rich culture and social heritage. The world famous Golgumbas and other monuments representing Adil Shahi dynasty have made Bijapur a world famous tourist destination. The social reformation and bhakti, Kayaka movements initiated by Shainas of 12th century under the leadership of Saint Basveshwara and their contribution to Kannada literature in the form of Vachana Sahitya are invaluable. The concept and practices of Basavaji Shainas and the dialogues of the People's Parliament, Anubhava Mantapa, in 12th century is a role model for social transformation and Kayaka philosophy. The area is blessed with flow of major river Krishna and its tributaries, Ghataprabha, Malaprabha and Bhima. But yet, during the beginnings of the 20th century, that is pre-independent India, Bijapur was a drought-prone backward area in the country in all spheres: economic, education, healthcare, employment, human development index. Hence, the dedication of the people of Bijapur area to the cities and other states was a common and scenario. Realizing the importance of education and its interrelationship with the growth and development, BLE Association was established in 1910 to impart primary and secondary education to rural masses of Bijapur. Today, this association is increasing by leaps and bounds to impart education from primary to post-graduation and research in all faculties, that's art, science, education, law, commerce, management, pharmacy, nursing, engineering and technology, Ayurveda medicine and other health sciences specialties. I am happy to note that BLE Association has celebrated its centenary and is now 113 years old with more than 88 institutions providing education to lakhs of students through their thousands of faculties. Hence, the name and contribution of BLE Association in the field of education and social service and engraved in golden letters in annals of education in India for making Vijaypura an illustrious education hub of India. Our salutation to the founding fathers of BLE Association, Vachana Pitama, Dr. P.G. Halkatti, saint and philosopher Sri Sangana Basava Shiv Yogi Vantanada Swamiji, statesman Sri B.M. Patilji. I am further happy to know that BLE started a tertiary care hospital in 1984 and established Sri B.M. Patil Medical College to offer MBBS, MS and MD programs. Thus, BLE expanded its sphere from education to tertiary health care and professional health education. Realizing the importance of liberalization, privatization and globalization of the last decade of 20th century on education, industry, service sector, BLE established BLE deemed to be university in 2008 with the recognition of UGC, MOE and Government of India. BLE Association and universities exponential growth and development befitting the expectation of the 21st century is mainly because of dynamic and benevolent leadership of M.B. Patilji. I congratulate M.B. Patilji for his accomplishments. Sri M.B. Patil Medical College and Hospital and Constituent College of BLD Deemed University has grown over years as one of the best medical institutions in the country. I am delighted to note, as a Minister of Medical Education, Government of Karnataka, that this medical college has an annual intake of 200 for MBBS and 148 for non-22 MD, MS broad specialties and 2 super specialty programs. The BLDA Medical College and Hospital has experienced faculty and medical consultants in board and super specialty to impart quality healthcare, education and tertiary healthcare to the needy rural masses of North Karnataka. More than 50 super specialty services and facilities are being offered now, especially in urology, nephrology, cardiology, cardiothoracic surgery, neurology and neurosurgery. I am delighted to note that they have undertaken open heart surgery and will be undertaking renal transplantation. These steps would definitely go a long way in fulfilling the needs of super specialty healthcare services at Vijaypura. I am further happy to note that the university has started 29 programs in allied health sciences to create a trained and skilled human resources to hospitals benefiting the youth of Bijapur region. I know that the entire modernization and exponential growth and development of BLDE deemed to be university and BLDE befitting the expectations of the 21st century is mainly because of proactive, brilliant and benevolent leadership provided by M.B. Patil ji, Honorable Chancellor of BLDE. President of BLDEA and my colleague in the Ministry of Government of Karnataka is hailed as a modern Bhagirath of Vijaypura for his yeoman contribution in the field of irrigation and water resources management by none other than Siddheshwara Swamiji, popularly known as Jnana Yogi and Nandadava Devaru. He is also honored as Koti Vriksha Veera for his massive afforestation project in Vijaypura. No wonder, because of these new initiatives and modernization, Sri M.B. Patil Medical College had 50th All India NIRF rank among medical colleges in India in 2021. Quality of healthcare is of utmost importance as a Minister of Medical Education and a doctor by profession and vocation. I am delighted to know that Sri B.M. Patil Medical College and Hospital is accredited by National Accreditation Board of Hospitals NABH, the only medical hospital in North Karnataka and the 9th in Karnataka to achieve this feat. Our hearty congratulations to all the faculty of BLDE for the same. In the light of these accomplishments, dear graduates, you are all singularly fortunate to have studied for your MBBS or MD and other UG, PG degrees in this prestigious illustrious college, hospital and university of national repute, accredited by NAC with A grade and ranked within 150 universities of India in NIRF ranking since 2020. My dear graduates, 21st century is known for physical cyber systems, that is fusion, integration and application of science, engineering, information, communication, digital technology, robotics, nano and laser technology totally blended with health professional education and healthcare, be it medicine or dentistry or science and technology as well as industry and agriculture. We witness this fusion in all branches of medicine with reference to diagnostics, therapeutics, curatives, medical surgical interventions, rehabilitations, telemedicine and so on. The impact of fourth industrial revolution, namely artificial intelligence, machine language, Internet of Things, will revolutionize global healthcare. Personalized medicine, gene therapy, nanoparticle-based drug delivery, minimally invasive surgery, laparoscopies, robotic surgeries, endoscopies, laser-based interventions, transplants and implants are going to be the order of the modern medicine. MRI, CT scan, PET CTs, biological biotechnology, biochemical research have revolutionized medical diagnostics and vaccinations. The National Medical Commission has introduced competency-based medical education 2019-20, emphasizing the importance of medical and surgical skills and competencies apart from applied knowledge base, research and innovation. The digital ICT technology, database and search engines have brought the scientific journals and books at your reference anywhere, anytime, are also available through smartphone or for references. Medical skill and simulation centers are available to sharpen the competencies. Because of this upgradation of curriculum and technology and teaching learning strategies, World Federation of Medical Education has given recognition to Indian medical degrees. You are all now competent and eligible to practice anywhere in the developed countries of the globe. Hearty congratulations for these accomplishments. Despite this modernization and huge expansion of medical education and healthcare, there are shortcomings and lacking in our rural healthcare systems and practices, with references to availability of qualified doctors, paramedical staff, latest medical and surgical facilities, medicine as well as affordability. Hence, the government have extended free medical schemes and health insurance benefits to all the needy and the unreached. The effort of the government is to ensure that the best of the healthcare facilities and treatment are all available to all the citizens without discrimination. And personally, appealing to all the graduates and doctors to serve the rural masses with care, share empathy and compassion. The similarity to society respects and adores you all as demigods who give life. Save and do well. We must work with passion, determination and devotion to strengthen the faith in we all doctors. This is the time for you all to give your service and help back to society which has made you what you are today. Dear young medical graduate, I earnestly request you to follow the principle of the Taittiriya Upanishad shown by you while receiving your degree, that is Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava, Yasha Adesha Yasha Upadesha. Dear graduates, all these days you are under the patronage of guardianship of parents and teachers. From now on, you will be on your own. Not only have to make a standard living and earn the livelihood, but also must serve the society and fellow citizens with respect, honor, dignity, equality, fraternity, social justice and universal brotherhood. You must be proud of your parents, teachers, society, culture, heritage and nation as well as the globe. Selfless service to the humanity is the service of God, and Kaya Kave Kailasa must be your basic principle of life and career. You must practice pluralism, inclusivity and humanity. You must also save and protect the Mother Earth and the green environment to avoid and prevent natural calamities and disasters. Dear graduates, you have witnessed in recent past one of the most and deadly pandemic, namely COVID-19. It was a real challenge to all the sections of society. Seeing the situation, I think I skipped two of my pages of my written speech because we are all been waiting since long. So, lastly, I congratulate all the graduates for having earned these coveted degrees through sincere and hard work. I also congratulate all the gold medalists for your memorable accomplishments. Dear graduates, attainment of a degree is only a milestone and not an end in itself. It is a means to serve and earn ethically and not making wealth unethically. I am sure you all will take up the mantle for serving the nation selflessly, in turn earn a decent life, living and livelihood. Emphasis must be given to the continuous updating and relevance. Future belongs to innovators and servant leaders. Hence, go in constant pursuit of truth, service and happiness of mankind and biosphere. Give importance to life and living, but not to materialism. Dear graduates, respect your parents, teachers, fellow men, nation, mother tongue, culture, heritage and constitution. Serve the nation, passion, missionary zeal. Kaizen principle, which means continuous improvement to excel in all walks of life. My sincere thanks to all the officers of the university, faculty, students, invitees, parents, members of BOM and Academic Council, members of press and media, one and all. Congratulations to the graduate ones and all, once again, and Jai Hind, Jai Kannada.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your informative and encouraging.
ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ 11ನೇ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆ ವಹಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನನ್ನ ಮಿತ್ರರಾದ ಎಂ.ಡಿ. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾಗಿ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶರಣ್ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಿ.ಎಸ್. ಜಯರಾಜ್ ಅವರೇ, ಗುರುವಾರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಅರುಣ್ ಇನಾಮ್ದಾರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರೇ, ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಅವರೇ, ಎಸ್.ಕೆ. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ಯೋಧನಿ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳೇ, ಮಾನ್ಯರೇ, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಈಗಲೂ ಸಹ ಘಟಿಕೋತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದವರೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಡಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನನಗೆ 3 ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯವರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 3 ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯವರು ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು 4ನೇ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಧಾರವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 4 ಸಲ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು 7ನೇ ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, 1 ಸಾರಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಭಾಳ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೊರಟವರೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನ ಓಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದು ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಜನಗಳ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜನಗಳು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಬಾಪೂಜಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 45 ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳನ್ನ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇ ಗೌರವ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಈಗ 75ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಿಂದ 1975ರಿಂದ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾನೇ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿ ಗೌರವ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೊಣೆಯನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಬೆಳಗಾವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಇವು 3 ಕಾಲೇಜು ಕೂಡ ಎಸ್ ಜಯಲಿಂಗಪ್ಪನವರಿಂದ ಕೊಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು. ಆ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಉನ್ನತ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಬಿ.ಎಲ್.ಡಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಾಗಲಿ, ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಅನೇಕ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಪಡೆದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 400 ಬ್ಯಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕವನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ 2 ಕಾರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚಾಗ ನಾವು ಕಾಲ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ 1 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 10 ಜನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಊರುಗಳು ನಾವು 11 ಜನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಯಾವ ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ಪಾಸಾಗಿರೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಈ ಒಂದು ಘಟಕೋತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ ತಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉಡುಮೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 10 ಪೈಸೆನಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ದಾನ ಧರ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಬಡೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಕೋರಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು
I resolve the convocation.
Thank you, sir. I request everyone to please stand up for national anthem.